Hello, we're gonna be watching how to use CRM. In this example, we're gonna be using the CRM from Bitrix24. And let's get started. This is the main menu when you can see all the negotiations that you have in your company. For example, we have a negotiation in each stage because these have different stages. For example, the first one is in develop, where the negotiation is just starting. The second one is the documentation, when you're filling the documentation out. The third is the bills, where the price is already put for both sides of the negotiation, and in process is where is processing all the shipment process and all those stuff, like for example the payment, and finally the final bill where the negotiation is just over. And we also have displays where you can see the inventory, for example the catalog that you have over your products. We can see in this example 5 different products. For our company looking good, we can see the quantity that we have in our inventory and also the prices of each product. And also in this section we can see the contacts of the clients that we have. For example, we have like 9 different contacts, and we can see all the information of this. And these clients are some people that previously bought us some products. But for example, if a company asks you for some, in our cases, some lenses, we can put it right here because it's a company and it's not an individual guy. And for example, we have here at Club Campestre, La Ciudad de México. We're gonna do an example to let you know how to use this. For example, we have to click right here, and a new negotiation will be starting. For example, I don't know, in a hypothetical situation that a client wants only one piece, we're gonna put it right here, one piece. We usually put the product 2. For example, I don't know, a classic product, and then we put the stage that the negotiation is. In this case, the negotiation is just beginning, so we're gonna put in develop. And we have the price that the CRM will put a price automatically depending of which product you're gonna put in the next steps. And this section depends of if you're selling your product in United States or in Mexico. Then we have the final date, that is when the negotiation will be over, and it will depend of the negotiation. And in this section, as I told you before, you can sell your product to an individual guy or a company. In this case, we're gonna be selling just for one person. So we can click here and we can see all the clients that previously have bought us some products. But for example, if it is a guy that haven't bought anything from you, you can put it here. For example, I don't know, Naomi. And as you can see, there is nobody that has bought us named Naomi, so we're gonna create a new contact. In this section, we are gonna put all the information from this client. I don't know, for example, a number, Gmail, and a direction of the guy. The CRM automatically will put you a direction depending of the telephone number, but the client can provide you, or even you can select on the map where is your client, where is your client. So we're gonna save the information that we have over of the negotiation. And in the bottom we can see the section named product is where you're gonna put the product that the client wants. In this case, the client wanted a classic, and you can see the final amount right here. And we just save the settings. And finally, we can close this window, and another window will appear with the reminders, where you can. This is a reminder. This can remind you any advice or for your employees or for you. So you can put anything that you want. In this case, I'm gonna leave it like that. And final, as you can see, we previously had another negotiation here, and this is new. So you can see that this plus this will equal this amount. So this is the final amount of the both negotiations. So if you make a lot of more you make other negotiations, the final amount of them will be right here. And you can click in the new negotiation to change the stages. For example, if you already made a deal, you can put you are doing all the process of the documentation and stuff like that. You can put it right here, and the stage will change. And for example, hypothetically, this product already has passed through these stages, and you just close the deal, and this window will appear where you can put if you won the negotiation or if you lost it. In the case of you won it, is because the negotiation went good, and if not, it will be a lost. So you have to put it right here. In this case, I don't know, we're gonna put we won, so it'll get green, just like if we would win the negotiation, and this will disappear. And this is how a CRM works. So you can do a lot of negotiations, and the CRM will help you to administrate it in the best way to make the effectiveness an effective way. So that's all.